This is a bird. This is a bird. All birds have feathers, and all birds have beaks. But all birds are different too. This is a bird. Its beak is long and sharp, and its feathers are black and white. This is an imperial penguin. This is a bird. Its beak is long and hooked, and its feathers are white. It is a pelican. Pelican. This is a bird. Its beak is sharp and hooked, and its feathers and black. It is a turkey vulture. This is a bird. Its beak is short and sharp, and its feathers are white. It is a chicken. This is a bird. Its beak is long and flat, and its feathers are brown. It is a mallard duck. This is a bird. Its beak is long and curved, and its feathers are brown. It is a thrasher. This is a bird. Its beak is short and sharp, and its feathers and red. It is cardinal. Cardinal. This is a bird. Its beak is long and thin, and its feathers and purple, green and gray. It is a Custis hummingbird. In some ways, all birds are the same. All birds have big beaks, and all birds have feathers, but all birds are different too.